turn your head.
There we go. Now it is. Heavy breathing, heavy breathing.
Stop heavy breathing. All right, I'll lead. You lead. I'll go behind you.
All right.
Get some footage of the old KLX.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so
KLX.
close. So close to first try. So we just had to deal with some relatively muddy, slick, bored out, tracked out, destroyed trails. Whew. And we got talking about ATVs and, you know, you'd cleaned up the beach we were at this morning because there was just garbage and drinks and all that crap everywhere. And I think now would be a great time for a little rant about why ATVs and side-by-sides just...
Well, like we were saying, they come out on these trails, they drink. You know, and the thing is they cart the shit in with them, and half the time they don't cart the shit back out with them.
Oh, that's real deep, buddy.
Yeah, I know, I heard that. Yeah. So they litter, because half the time they don't carry their shit back out with them. Because, I mean, us dual sporters, we don't have room to carry a 6-pack of beer. Right? Like we're not pulling 6 packs and 8 packs and 12 packs of beer. Whoa, that's deep too.
Yeah, no, you don't really carry anything with you because you're on 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Water.
So I know it's not dual sporters that are doing this stuff, right? It's guys in side-by-sides and 4-wheelers. Their wheelers and their side-by-sides they tear up the trails, and the mud holes never dry out because their big ass tires just keep churning through. They love getting in the mud, so they just love making the mud holes bigger.
Yep.
And then they litter all over the fucking place. Plus, half the time they're operating their vehicles while they're drinking.
Yep.
Now, any ATVers that watch this, you know, I mean, hey, if you're an ATV and you're watching this and you don't agree, hey, let us know in the comments, eh? Say, hey, this is why you guys are full of shit. Because I'd love to be proven wrong.
Yeah, me too. I just don't think we are.
No.
Which makes me sad. Alright, buddy. You thinking about vetoing?
Oh, shit.
It doesn't look too bad on the other side. It's nice and smooth. It's not dropping off. Nope, no rut.
Yeah, see, I don't mind water holes like this.
Yeah. And see, that's the thing. You just never know. Is it going to be one that the ATVs have bored out to 8 feet deep? Oh my God. Look at this.
Is there a go around?
I don't think so. Well. Oh yeah, stick close to the shore, you're good.
Yeah, I don't know, man. This right here is like a side-by-side 4-wheeler's wet dream. They just love this shit. Unfortunately, it ruins the trails for us.
Oh, and a road, look at that. Anything else you want to rant about there, Jeff, or do you think that's good for the ATVs for now?
No, that's probably fine.
That's good?
There we go. Alright, we're back. Now for the viewers, this is something we have a lot of in Nova Scotia. It's these power lines and these service roads to go in there. But again, these are like hotbeds for like 4-wheelers and side-by-sides to rip the shit out of shit. As you'll see when we get on them. It's a way for completely off-road motorcycles who can't go on the road legally to get places, which is good for them, I guess. But for dual sports, it's like, like, it's not as necessary. But they do get tore up really bad. I don't know how the power company comes out here and services this shit. Rocks like that will dent your rim, baby.
Yeah, or rip your sidewalk.
So, for all of you guys like to air down your tires, yeah, air them down out here.
Yeah.
I guarantee you're gonna you'll go home with a bent rim.
Yeah. Or pop tire, blow tube, what have you.
Yep. So
this actually looks okay.
What? Like, so I typically run just below street pressures in these Shinko 244s. And they do okay. You could ask Steve how much a rim for an 1190
Oh
costs.
my god. I may or may not have been the reason that needed to be
Yeah,
fixed.
you know what though? He traded that bike in for the 790 and never fixed the rim. The rim was the way we bashed it in, or bashed it back out.
Well, you know, it's interesting because the 1190 had issues with that rim, and it was well known that the rims on those bikes were weak, the front rims. Reduced speed.
Steep hill.
It's not that bad, a little washed out, but
Yeah, but if you're on a four-wheeler or a side-by-side,
fair enough, fair enough. Oh yeah, this is pretty.
you take one of your tires gets one of these ruts, twists it in.
Yeah, fair enough, you flip it.
Flip the damn thing. Oh yeah, shit, dude. I've never been out here, but this is nice.
Big hill climb coming up here.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Tractor, baby, tractor. Oop, this is shit. Yeah, he's got some false neutrals, that's for sure. Oh, I can hear him banging off the old backplate, baby. My homemade street side bash plate.
Do you want to go to the right or to the left-ish straight?
Where are we
Left
going?
or right, I guess.
Oh, I don't know. Is there a trail? Is there actually a trail there?
I just assumed once we got up there, we'd want to pick one, or have one picked, sorry.
We'll see. Go trail.
I'm just dumb.